how to fix allow Instagram to access your camera and microphone. If you're having trouble allowing Instagram to access your camera and microphone, this video is for you. In this video, you will learn how to fix the problem in a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to get back to sharing those beautiful photos and videos with your friends and followers. So what you want to do first is exit the Instagram application and open up the mobile phone settings. Once you are in the settings, scroll down, tap on app management. Tap on app list, then scroll down and tap on Instagram. After that, tap on permissions, and you want to give permission for all of these. So allow permission for the camera contacts, location, microphone, phone, and storage. Once you have allowed permission for all of those things, open up the Instagram application and it should work without any issues. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.